Jahangirnagar University Debate Organization. We have Tajin Islam Tony, the president of Jahangirnagar University Debate Organization. I'd like to request Miss President Tajin Islam Tony to bring all of our guests in front of the screen, because this is an offline program and we cannot actually bring all of you in front of our beautiful mighty seminar of Jahangirnagar University, but um, we are arranging this closing ceremony online and we are giving you the ultimate experience, what we can give you for the best thing. So this closing ceremony we will not cannot be start without a convener speech. So the mighty convener of TIB JUDO Eminence 2020, Miss Sumaya Tasnova, who has worked really hard for this whole tournament and make this happen, this international first ever international debate tournament in Jahangirnagar University. We are very, very proud of this tournament. So, Miss Sumaya Tasnova, the convener, we would like to hear something from you.
Thanks to our host, Rinita Tahasin Aditi. This day is the fulfillment of the day of many people's dream. This moment is the result of many people's restless days, nightless sleeps. I really don't know how to thank all of them who actually worked throughout this tournament day and night. First, my thanks to the CAP team consisting of Syed Shadab Tazwar, Jessica Musulin, Audrey Lee, Banun Sabri, and Chris Carlos. They were so generous. Without these generous people, this would be tough to run this tournament smoothly. In this technological era, the equity issues are getting complex day by day. This toughest job were handled by our brave equity team consisting of our own Ridita Tahsin Aditi, Shruti Dev, and Mahathir Mahamud. Thanks for ensuring a healthy environment to this tournament. Now, the biggest thanks to the outcome of TIB Judo Eminence Pre-UADC 2020. Our very own graphics team, tech team, management team, our communication team, my co-conveners, and all of them were splendid throughout this tournament. My beloved friends, my respected seniors, and my fellow juniors, take my bow. I'm really grateful to you all. Now the heartily thanks to TIB, Transparency International Bangladesh. Thanks for being with us throughout this passionate journey, even in this COVID situation. Thanks for being with us. Now the two people, without mentioning them, this would be logical. The people who were in the backdrop, the people who were were not in the front. Our own president Tajrin Islam Tonni and our secretary Shafi Mohammad Shagor. Thanks to you both. Without your constant support, I would not dare to see this dream. I would not dare to see this dream ever. Thanks to both of you. I wish I can see you all of you in the offline so soon. Till then, stay safe, stay with us. Hail Judo and let be lightened. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Miss Convener, and you have done a great, wonderful job. We have seen for the past 3 days, for the past 4 to 5 days, like 26th November to 29th November, we have seen an amazing, amazing international debate tournament, because the all debaters, course, our all invited adjudicators, and our all guests were praising so much for this international debate tournament. We have seen such prominent debaters, some prominent debates, and in the finale we have seen an amazing debate. Yes, the live is on our Facebook page. You can see us through our Facebook page, Jahangirnagar University Debate Organization, and you have anything to wish us, you can comment down in this live section. So the closing ceremony has started, and without some speeches it cannot be glorified as much as we want. So now I'd like to request Mr. Zafar Sadiq, Deputy Program Manager, Transparency International Bangladesh, and former Vice President of Jahangirnagar University Debate Organization. I'd like to invite him in this closing ceremony and want to hear something from you, Mr. Zafar Sadiq.
Thank you, Ridhika Tahsin Aditya. I'm feeling very shaky here in front of our faculties and Director of TIB, Executive Director of TIB, Dr. Shekhar Zannan sir. But I'm very pleased also to be here and a part of this glorious tournament because this is not my identity. I'm a TIB employee, but my identity is I am a debater. I was a debater. I was a part of judo, and still I am a part of judo. This is very prouding moment for me that JUDO is organized such an international movement, such an international event in Bangladesh in this lockdown and in this pandemic situation. This is I am very proud to be here. I would like to thank JUDO for the tremendous effort, and also I would like to thank Tajin Islam Tourni and her team to make this impossible work possible. And this is now here we are because our JUDO and their members. And I am also very thankful to the graphics team, especially Syed Mohammad Syed, who is a very talented graphic designer who made a greatest template, some great template for this event and make this event very glorifying for us because of his design and his color combination and his very nice gesture and poster in the poster and every event in every event page. So this is very nice for us, and it was a nice journey to us. I am requesting all of you to continue this kind of journey and to take your place against corruption with your debate, through your debate, and take your place against any kind of misbehavior, any kind of injustice in the society. And also, I wish TIB and JUDO will work together in near future, inshallah. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Zafar Sadiq. It has not been possible without your support because you have you were a very great debater in your arena, and JUDO is always look up for you, and you have done also great. You have supported us so much in this for so long, and without your effort, this can be possible. So thank you, Mr. Zafar Sadiq. Now the man who has founded this organization, Mr. Abdullah Al Chaudhuri Mamun. For the past 15 years, he has been guiding us through his excellence and through his amazing capability of leadership. We are devoted for his presence, and we are very happy to announce that we have our founding president of Jahangirnagar University Debate Organization, Mr. Abdullah Al Chaudhuri Mamun. He is also Senior Principal Officer of Rupali Bank. Mr. Abdullah Chaudhuri Mamun, can we hear something from you for this closing ceremony?
Thank you, Tony. Welcome to the closing ceremony of TIB Judo Eminence Pre-UADC 2020. It's my honor to have you all together here. I am proudly announcing that Judo is the most democratic organization in the debate arena of Bangladesh. It declares 15 consecutive committees in 15 consecutive years. This is a rare occasion for all the debating clubs in this country and all over the world. I hope so. I would like to let you know that JUDO organizes National Debate Championship, Inter-Hall Debate Championship, Inter-Department Debate Championship, Women Debate Championship, Intra-Judo Debate Championship, debate competition for the freshers, and several workshops and grand founding anniversary celebration in a single calendar year every year. Along with other occasional programs, we do have some associated organizations. We are always supporting them in the single calendar year. What the program I have mentioned, we are running this program regularly for the last 15 years. And when it comes about the years, Jahangirnagar University is celebrating her golden jubilee in this year. Judo also creates another historic event for JU by arranging this international debate tournament for the first time ever at Jahangirnagar University. From our side, this is a gift to Jahangirnagar University from JUDO. Happy birthday in advance to Jahangirnagar University on the 12th January. This is a gift, a little gift, but a mighty gift from JUDO to you. I would like to thank Transparency International Bangladesh for their tremendous support. JUDO believes Transparency International Bangladesh will with us for our next journeys. Thank you for the CAP members. Thanks to the other adjudicators. Thanks to the organizing committee, the equity panel, TAP team, the tech team, and the teams participated here. Congratulations for the finalist teams. I believe the wind will change again. The world will become green again, and new normal come to normal very soon. Hope to meet and host you offline on that time. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mamun Bhai. It has been an honor to be with you JUDO is being honored to be with you. So now it's time for another speaker who has supported us so much in this situation, and also in offline too. He supported us. He is none other than the director of TSC Jahangirnagar University, Professor Dr. Mohammad Alamgir sir. Sir, we'd like to hear something from you in this closing ceremony.
Thank you, Aditi. Assalamu alaikum and good evening. All of you know that today is the closing ceremony of International Inter-University Debate Competition, online, entitled TIB Judo Eminence Pre-UADC 2020. And as we know that from different social media, as well as some of the news portal of Jahangir University and national dailies also, it was the first ever international inter-university debate competition. Actually, that was organized by TSC-based organization. So I feel proud to be a part of that glorious moment. So I do believe that this sort of competition actually make a bondage among the students of different universities of the selected countries. I also think so from this knowledge, from the competition of knowledge, they can learn and also they can practice the issues in their practical life of anti-corruption issues. So thanks again of the TIB Chief Executive, Dr. Iftekharuzzaman, high officials of TIB and other guest participants from home and abroad. Last but not least, a wonderful job actually is done by JUDO, its members, especially its executive committee. I think and I hope that this sort of event will be arranged by JUDO again and again, and TIB will be with them. Thank you again all, and I hope there will be one champion and something like that. I wish them in their future. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, Alamgir sir. I'd like to request Iftekharuzzaman sir and also Sheikh Munzuri Alam sir to turn on their camera if possible, because we cannot see them right now. So if possible, yes, thank you so much, sir. We can see now. So we have been really honored to have all of you, as I said earlier, because without your precious support and without your dedication towards this organization, the organizers has worked very, very hard. So I'd like to congratulate all the organizers to achieving this goal. We have dreamed this moment for so long. I'd like to request Mr. Sheikh Munzuri Alam to say some word for us in this closing ceremony, because he is with us now in this frame. So, sir, can we have some words from you?
Actually, thank you all for organizing this amazing event. And this has been really difficult, I can understand, because of the situation on the ground. organizing a program involving so many teams from many different countries online. That has been a challenge, and you have done it successfully. So thank you all, and thank you very much to. I'm thanking also the participants who have taken their time and participated in the event. And I don't want to say anything else. I'm eagerly waiting to hear the result of the event. Probably everyone is also waiting for the result. So that's it from me now. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes, we all are waiting for the result because it has been like really long time after uh, after ending the final round of this TIB Geodu Eminence 2020. We have dreamed this moment and we have executed this as much as possible we can do for all of you. TIB has always been inspiration for us, and like this, they have supported us in this COVID situation also, and they has introduced us to some new aspects for working so hard. Like good governance in COVID response, also zero corruption and save lives. Like this type of mottos had introduced us to a new path because we all are want this art to be normal and to, as Mamun Bhai said, we all want that this new normal became normal so soon. And we would like to tell you that we will definitely host an offline tournament inshallah, and TIB will be in our support. We can believe this. So for that note, I'd like to call the executive director of TIB, our very own leader, Dr. Iftikharuzzman sir, to bring his aspects regarding this closing ceremony, regarding this TIB Geodu Eminence 2020, and also announce the mighty result which all we are waiting for. Sir.
Thank you very much. It is a great pleasure once again to have the privilege of being able to announce the winners of this great, wonderful tournament or competition, debate competition. This has been unique for Judo and unique experience for me too, to be able to participate in a debate ceremony a couple of times online. And I can imagine, as other speakers have said, that it has not been easy task to organize such an event online. But people are innovative. Young people are more innovative. So that's what Judo has shown. Judo has shown that it can be innovative, and it has done it very successfully, very efficiently, very effectively. I congratulate them and everyone in the leadership, starting from the leadership to everyone who is involved in the Young University Debating Organization and their respected teachers who have been supporting this great initiative. And I think genuinely Judo has set good examples for other debating societies to follow. And I only hope that this such an event sets a good precedence also for all others. Participants have been very enthusiastic, as far as I understand, and the debate has been quite intense as usual. But there are always winners, and we have this is my privilege to be able to announce the winners. But before that, let me once again thank especially all of you, my colleagues, of course, Manzoor and Zafar and others who did a great job at a short notice. And I take the responsibility of the short notice because it was late in the day that we were able to decide that we will be able to partner with Judo. But better late than never, we have done it successfully. And thanks to the wonderful partnership that has been created between Judo and TIB team, I think this has been a successful event. I would also like to thank the other Jahangirnagar University Authority, particularly head of the director of the Teacher Student Society, Teacher Student Center, and without whose patronage this would not have been possible. I thank you very much, and I thank other distinguished professors who have been supporting of this event, and not only the event but also the activities of the judo. But last not the least, I'd like to thank the impressive Redita Tahsin Oditi for her leadership of this event. She called herself MC, but I call her leader of the event. Thank you very much for the wonderful job done. But finally, I think all credit goes to Tazrin Islam Tonni, the head of or president of the judo, who is a great leader of a movement like this. I think she knows her business well. She knows how to be a good, successful debating society, debating organization leader. Thank you, Tony, for your wonderful job. I think you have impressed. You have left good impression upon everybody who has been witnessing and following Jahangirnagar University debate. Under your leadership, the debating judo has been doing great job. And this is just one example of the great job that you have done. I had an opportunity to be present in another wonderful event last year, which was a great experience also, but this one supersedes. This one kind of, what takes anything else. So thank you once again, Tony and Oditi, and thank you very much. I now move to my pleasant job of announcing the winners. First of all, probably the name of the debater of the tournament. The award goes to Ira Gosavi of India Government Law College. She is the debater of the tournament. Congratulations, Ira, for your wonderful job, for being not only debater of the tournament but also being an example for other debaters to follow. Now, about the teams that are being awarded for the best performances. Runner-up award goes to Vellore University of Technology, India. And the speakers or debaters were Lakshman, Shivakumar Vijay, Aditya Ravi Shankar, and Kartavya Asthana. I'm sorry if I pronounced you wrongly. Kartavya Asthana. These four debaters from Vellore University of Technology, India, get the runner-up award as a team. Congratulations to you too for the wonderful job. And obviously the final announcement, the championship is already known by now. The championship award goes to St. Xavier's College, Mumbai, India. And the debaters are Rita Brata Mitra, Joan Johnson, Shurabhi Chavan. These three debaters are the champions as a team of the St. Xavier's College, Mumbai, and champions of the TIB Judo Debate 2020. Thank you very much, and over to Aditi.
Thank you so much, sir. You have been so kind for us, and also like this little amount of time we have given to this organization. It has been actually so much glorified by your voice, by your comment in this closing ceremony. I feel really honored by your words, sir, and really touched. And I'm sure all of us has been honored by your words, by your presence. Thank you so much for announcing the champion team and the runners-up team, also the debater of the tournament. We have got our champions, our runners-up. Yes, we are really sorry. We feel really sorry that we couldn't give you the champion trophy, the runners-up trophy from our Mukto Moncho, Jahangirnagar University. Yes, we are really sorry for that you couldn't receive it from our guest, our honorable guest. But yes, we can dream like we dreamed an international event. We have um, we have succeeded this dream, and also we are dreaming now that we will host an offline event too. And for till now, till then, we can hope for the best. We can hope that we our art will become a normal era, a normal place to live. That's it. Now, the vote for thanks. I'd like to request Miss President, the leader, Nazreen Islam Tony, to say her words in this closing ceremony. Miss Nazreen Islam Tony.
Thank you, Aditi, my friend, also the English Forum coordinator of Jahangirnagar University Debate Organization. First, thanks to all of you for forgiving me for my poor camera quality. First of all, I would like to remember that day when I have had a phone call with our very respectful Dr. Muhammad Iftekharuzzaman sir. I called him and I requested him that, sir, we are going to organize a pre-UIDC international tournament, and we'd be very happy if we have TIB with us. And it was a great experience to talk to him throughout that time. I first talked to him, it was like this year, February 2020, and we invited him in our Ivali Deodio National Debate Competition 2020. So from that time, we have had a very great support from this kind person. And the very moment I have talked about the tournament, he has taken it so seriously and said that, as you were requested to me, and let's see what I can do for you. And after that, this is the time we are standing on, and at last the final ceremony has happened, the TIB Deodio Eminence Pre-UIDC 2020, which we had been dreamed for a long time. And I'd like to thank to the other staffs, our respectful staffs from Transparency International Bangladesh, Munjuri Alum sir, Shakil Bhai, who has had a great support throughout that journey. And obviously, he's our very own Jafar Sadiq Bhai. Without him, the things, every work would not be so much easier. So Jafar Bhai was a great support, and it is very good feeling to work with these wonderful people. Another thanks from JUDO to Transparency International Bangladesh, and I think and I hope, we believe, all of us strongly believe that we had tried to make this tournament as successful as it is possible, as an online tournament, and we had tried to do it so perfectly. And we hope the friendship and the coordination and collaboration with TIB and JUDO will continue to the future, when we will have the opportunity to host an offline event for all of you. Another thing, all the staffs, all the members worked very hard for this journey, for this specific event. Obviously, the ASCO members, like TAB members, like the other members. But the greatest thanks should be got for the very hardworking organizers of Jahangirnagar University Debate Organization. And I'm very proud to lead this wonderful and very talented people, especially all the teams, the tech team, graphic teams, the venue manager team, and every person worked so hard for this tournament, that their dedication, their ownership to this organization is much praisable, and I can't thank them which they deserve actually. So thanks to all of them, and thanks from me, and thanks from this wonderful journey. So this is a good opportunity to host all of you. Another thing is that we wanted to give a message through via this tournament, is that we as we are debaters, we take part in so many debate tournaments, international and national, but there is a difficulty in participating, especially the registration fee of these tournaments are very high, pretty high. So So many debaters cannot afford this to participate, as they have the ability to participate. They have the ability to prove they also can do something. They also can do better. Through this event, I like to thank to TIB once again that they have made an opportunity to arrange a registration fee-free tournament, and by this I believe many debaters who cannot participate due to high rate fee participated in this tournament, and this was a great success for judo to arrange such an event where debaters who have the ability they could take part in this initiative, in this great initiative. So thank you once again TIB for this wonderful opportunity. So we have got so many people with us. We have got Mamun Bhai here. I have said earlier that without his support, and especially the seniors of Jahangirnagar University Debate Organization, the support and the guideline and the suggestion is very much necessary for all of us. And this makes this institution, this organization, a successful organization throughout 15 years. The amount of mistakes is very less, because we got the support from this valuable alumni of our organization. So I'd like to thank to all of them through our very respectful Mamun Bhai, and to the authority, to TSC. I think for Jahangirnagar University, this arrangement is also a very good thing to be proud of, because by this event I am very sure that many debaters, many people have learned about this name of Jahangirnagar University for the first time. We have the United Asian Debate Championship, UADC is an event which is organized only for Asian region debaters, but we have also got registration, pre-registration from debaters of Africa, from Meruka country. They have also registered for us for participating in this tournament. So I think this is a very good moment, very proud moment for Jahangirnagar University as well, because this level of, or this standard of international tournament is definitely a big addition to a calendar of this 50-year journey of Jahangirnagar University. So again, a happy birthday in advance to our very own Jahangirnagar University. And I think I'd like to add with Mamun Bhai that this is a gift, a small gift from Jahangirnagar University to the authority, and I'd like to thank Professor Dr. Alamgir Kabir sir, because he had a great support, great guidance, and whenever we needed anything, we had him with us. So thank you, Alamgir Kabir sir. So there is another result. It's not published yet. It is about the adjudicators break. So I liked to have this opportunity to announce this adjudicators break, who will be awarded as 3,000 Taka prize money, the top adjudicator, and the second top adjudicator will have the prize money of 2,000 Taka. So yeah, if Anjum, who is running this session from the backstage, is ready, I would like to announce the adjudicator break. The first break, or the top breaking adjudicator of TIB JUDO Evidence Pre-UADC 2020 becomes Rahul Rajeshkar from India, and the second top breaking adjudicator is Narayan Sharma, who is also from India. So yeah, but we are seeing that all the top prizes are being awarded to the debaters and the adjudicators of India, but it's a pleasure to host all of them in Bangladesh. So yeah, congratulations to all of them. And also I want to add that the top breaking team, the top breaking team, the champion team are getting the prize money, $100 prize money from the organizers, and the second, the runner-up team is getting $75 US dollar prize money. So congratulations to you, and we will send you the prize money as soon as possible. So yeah, this is all for now. Another thing, I would like to thank to all the teams actually, and we have tried our best to do our best. So we promise you that someday, that day is not very far. We are waiting eagerly to host you offline, and JUDO and Jahangirnagar University are waiting for all of you, the debaters from different part of the world, and we'll host you someday. And I would like to request to Professor Dr. Alamgir Kabir sir, to the authority via Professor Dr. Alamgir Kabir sir, to make such a environment or such an infrastructure environment for our university so that we can host all the debaters properly with the utmost standard we expect to arrange. So we would like to expect this type of facilities from this university. So we hope someday we will meet you, and after the pandemic ends, everybody we will meet someday. So thank you. And another thing, the last announcement from me, it is that we have arranged a short level of treat for the wonderful organizers of this this event, that we will give you a T-shirt from our fund, and this is the best thing we can do for the hard work you have showed throughout this tournament. And lastly, thank you to the wonderful convening body. We have had Dillal Hossain Sourabh, a very brilliant one. Rokeya Akhtar Asha is a very good debater, and Arif Sohail is a very promising debater for Jahangirnagar University Debate Organization, and especially the convener. Without her hard work, without her tremendous support, tremendous effort, the tournament wouldn't be that much easier to pull off. So thank you, and I hope your effort will continue to till the end, and JUDO will continue to progress to succeed. And thank you all, and thank you at last Vidita Tahasin Aditi for her wonderful hosting. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you, my friend, Miss President of Jahangirnagar University Debate Organization. Yes, we have been dreamed this moment together with our other friends too, our juniors, our seniors, and it has been possible just because all of your hard work. And we are really honored that we have been introduced to these amazing souls. This is not the end. Don't worry, this is not the end. Jahangirnagar University Debate Organization is ready to host you offline when the situation will get better, the world will get better. Till then, we can pray. We can pray to our God, our Allah, whoever believes in that this world needs to be calmed down, this world needs to be get better very soon, because we all are waiting for that normal situation. Till then, this is the last program, the last speech I'm giving to you from TIB JUDO Eminence 2020, and best of luck for the UADC program, which is gonna happen in Bangladesh for the first ever time. Yes, you heard it right. Bangladesh gonna host UADC this year. So all the very best for this program. With this note, I'd like to thanks once again all of you, Dr. Iftekhar Zaman sir, Dr. Professor Alamgir Kabir, Zafar Sadiq Bhai, Abdullah Chaudhary Mamun, Sheikh Manzuri Alam, our convener, and also the president. Thanks to all of you. Allah Hafiz, goodbye. Please stay safe, be aware, and be aware of the corruption, and say